I'm Danielle of DanielleTowner.com. I want to talk about how to monetize your blog. And the first thing that I want to emphasize is that a lot of people get into blogging and the first thing they do is go sign up for an ad account to monetize their blog through ads. And really that's the last thing that you want to do. Don't really waste your time on that strategy, and especially don't strictly rely on monetizing your blog through advertisement. It takes an enormous amount of traffic to get a substantial income from blogging, and if this is something that you're thinking about transferring into full time, it's going to be very difficult to do that. So it's some other things that you want to look at, but first you want to think about what your niche is, what you're known for, what's your blog niche, and what products and services relate to what that niche is. So from there, you can look at those different avenues and different options you have to monetize your blog and which one will work better for you. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. And now affiliate marketing is basically you're an affiliate for a company or a brand promoting their products or services within your blog or within your social media. And now the people in your target market, your tribe, the people who are loyal followers of you, they know, like, and trust you. And so when you suggest these products, if they make a purchase from that, you receive a commission for them making a purchase based on your recommendation. Now, there's also influencer marketing. Most people are familiar with that from social media. Now, influencer marketing and affiliate marketing, they're very similar, but the difference is that a brand offers you a fee in exchange for you promoting their brand or being an ambassador for their brand. And the same thing, I would recommend that you stick to products that you really use, that you like, and stick to brands that you trust and are trustworthy among the community. And the same thing, your tribe, your target market, are trusting you, and they're putting faith in this product based on the strength of their relationship with you, knowing, liking, and trusting you. So, based on that was the reason why you want to be authentic in the products that you suggest and the brands that you suggest. Now, another way to monetize your blog is to sell products or offer your services. Now, with the products, those products could be tangible products or they could be digital products. For instance, if you are trying to promote your music, you could sell music streams. You could offer memberships to the products or the services that you're offering. You can sell printables. You could sell things like business cards if you're a designer, or you could sell templates to logos where people can just plug in their information or change the color scheme. And that's something that you can sell over and over again versus custom designing everything that you offer. And as far as the products, if you have an online store, you can sell anything, electronics, clothing, anything that you can think of, you can sell it in your online store. If you have something that you specifically sell, like shoes, of course, you'll be using your blog to give people valuable information that'll motivate them to make a purchase from your store. But you can also use an affiliate marketing model to set up an online store, for instance, an Amazon store, and promote specific products in that store that are coming from other sellers, but you'll receive a commission on that. You can also do a drop shipping model where you sell products in the store, but they're shipping from another manufacturer or another warehouse. As far as the services are concerned, that's a huge chunk of my business model. I offer my marketing services, consultations, content marketing, social media marketing. That's how I make money from my blog, by promoting those services and putting a call to action within my blog, letting people know that I offer those services, and from there it motivates them to make a purchase once they build a relationship with me. If you're a travel consultant, if you're a real estate agent, if you're a counselor, anything like that, you can use your blog to build these relationships, bring brand awareness, build a following, and then offer your services. And you can also do a combination of these strategies. You can have a combination of these strategies. You can use your affiliate marketing within your blog. You can be an influencer on social media. You can offer products and services in a store, on your website, or even on Facebook or Instagram. And you can also offer services if you have services to offer. And all of these will be multiple streams of income that can combine to help you reach your revenue goals and your financial goals within your business. But there is a method to doing this. It's a method to doing this, and that's something that we can talk about further in a consultation, in a strategy session with me. Now, also in my next series of vlogging, I'll discuss how to prepare for building and setting up your blog or your website. Whether you're gonna build it yourself or whether you're hiring a designer to do it, it's certain things that you want to do to prepare for setting up this website and setting you up for success, for monetization, for bringing awareness to your brand. And I'll discuss that next time in the next series. So come back so that you can get more information on monetizing your blog and bringing awareness to your business. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below. And if you want to set up a consultation to discuss strategies specific to your business and monetizing your business, then visit my website, danielletowner.com, or send me a message and we can schedule some time to talk. Thank you for watching, and until